Logging of car performance data is an important part of the automotive industry, and there are all kinds of data to collect, from noise, vibration, CANBUS, GPS, and so on. Today we're logging some GPS data with acceleration data. Let me show you what we offer on the CoCo-80X. In addition to acquiring time stream data from 8 input channels, the CoCo-80X also records incoming GPS and CANBUS data. All signals are tied to the same signal file and can be uploaded to the PC for detailed analysis. OBD2 Protocol allows measuring an automobile's performance variables. Simply plug into the vehicle's OBD2 connector to add these signals to your measurement. For GPS data collection, we've got you covered. By uploading the signal files into Post Analyzer, we can view and analyze the GPS data, just like this. Want to know more details? Contact us at crystalinstruments.com. For now, let's do some more testing. We'll catch up later.